Hey everyone, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today I have a hard to find 2015 GMC SLE Crew Cab Duramax 4x4 with the 8-foot box. This hasn't been a work truck, it hasn't been a company truck. It's essentially a one owner. He bought it with 5,000 miles. It now has 99,000 miles. Heated leather, seating for 6, power seat, big touchscreen, remote starter, heated seats, you name it. A lot of nice options on it. Carfax is clear. We just did an oil change. No accidents. It's had factory warranty up until a couple months ago. This truck is just nice inside and out. Hard to find, nice equipment. I drove it for 3,000 miles. Seated Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. And remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.